You'll be addicted to this cabbage. How come I haven't found out about this recipe before? Start by cutting off the bottom of a very large cabbage. Make a circular cut just like I'm doing. Then remove this bottom part. Keep moving the core of the cabbage, hollowing it out, until a hole is formed just like this. Next, transfer this cabbage to a large pan. Now fill the hole we made with 300 milliliters of milk and add 500 milliliters of water into the pan. Then cover the cabbage and let it cook over low heat for 15 minutes. After this indicated cooking time, remove the cabbage from the heat and set aside some large leaves. Now, into a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 medium onion, and stir until the onion starts to get translucent. Then add 500 grams of ground beef and keep stirring until the meat has browned. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. When that happens, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and stir again until all ingredients combine. Now add 2 cups of rice for risotto. I'm using a 200 milliliter cup and the rice has been previously washed and drained. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir again. To move on with the seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chimichurri, and stir again until all the spices have been well absorbed. Now turn off the heat and add 1 pinch of black pepper and some parsley to taste. Mix it all together once again and set aside. Once you've done that, into a small bowl, place 1 leaf of the cabbage we've cooked. Then add 2 tablespoons of the meat mixture and close it just like I'm doing, forming a dumpling. Repeat this process until you've used up all the meat mixture and set aside. Into a large skillet, add some leaves of the cooked cabbage. Then add the dumplings. Finally, make a sauce in which the dumplings will be cooked. Into a medium bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of water, and mix until the tomato paste has fully dissolved. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. When that happens, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix once again. Once you've done that, pour all this sauce over the dumplings in the skillet. Then cover the skillet, turn the heat on medium-low power, and let it cook for 35 minutes. After this indicated cooking time, the dumplings have cooked through. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.